Hello dear children, today I am Deepak Bodh going to teach you a new lesson which topic is Up You Go. In this topic we will read about an interesting event performed by our family member. It means the family member of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, which topic is TLO of this lesson is to understand why people take risk like snow covered and difficult mountain terrains. Next point is to observe different adventurous activities. And third and last TLO is to get knowledge about mountaineering equipments. Overview of the lesson. First point is to get the knowledge about the adventurous sport. Next point is to know about the things needed for mountaineering camp. Third point is things present in rucksack. Do you know what is rucksack? Rucksack is a type of big bag which a mountaineer carry on his back. Next point is tools for climbing mountains and duties performed by a group leader. We will read in this chapter about the Indian women in mountaineering, and at last we will read about the some other famous Indian women. Then now come to the point. Up you go. This event has been started from the 2nd February 1984. The mountaineering camp. This camp was organized in Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi, that is in Uttarakhand. Madam Sangeeta Arora, a former teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi, described her hiking experience in this chapter. She was in a camp in which other members were from different states of India. They were very much excited for the camp and successfully completed their 21 days camp. Madam Sangeeta got the best performer of the camp award. Their last day at the camp was 21 February 1984. Now come to some adventurous sport. You can see in this picture, first adventurous sport is hiking, second is bungee jumping, third is mountaineering, next is rock climbing, parachute jumping, hang gliding, paragliding, skydiving, Formula 1 race, skiing, mountain biking, and X game incline skating. Now come to the point, things needed for mountaineering camp. Uh, do you know what is camp? Camp is a type of management or facility to stay for a short period. Uh, things needed for mountaineering camp is, first is camp, it means tent, and you can see in this picture there are shoes. Shoes are special type of shoes that it has special type of gripping power, so it cannot slip on the mountains. And there are the helmet, goggle, stove, and some other things. In this picture you can see these are the things which is required for a mountaineer to organize a camp. It is sleeping bag. It is also needed for mountaineering camp. Sleeping bag is used to sleep in the night in snowing area. If there is very less temperature, the sleeping bag helps us to warm in cold night. Things present in rucksack. I have told earlier that what is rucksack? Rucksack is a big bag which is carried by a mountaineer. In the rucksack there are so many important things for the mountaineering camp or mountaineer. First important thing is first aid box, and second is you can see in this picture there are so many ropes, bandages, knives, axe, and so many things are present in a rucksack. You can see in this picture. Some tools are very much important for the mountain climbing or rock climbing. First thing is sling. Sling is a type of hook which is used to tie the rope. And second one is pitons. Pitons is the type of hammer which is used to break the rock and tie the rock, or it can stuck into the rock and help to the climb on the mountain. A big responsibilities, a big duty of a group leader. A group leader should be loyal to the following points. I started thinking about what a leader must do. It is the experience of the Madam Sangeeta Arora. First one is help other in carrying their bags. Second is let the group go ahead and keep to the last. And third is the help those who cannot climb properly. Next is find a good place to stop and rest. And next is look after those who are not well and arrange for food for the group. The most important thing is to be ready to be punished even when someone else may have made a mistake. It means if someone in your group had a mistake, then the group leader will be punished. Food for mountaineers. Food is very much important for the mountaineers. They have to balance diet with vitamin C and iron tablet for the strength is necessary for any mountaineers. Hot chocolate milk also give strength. because mountaineers do very hard work to climb the mountain, so they must have the balanced diet with the other vitamins. Madam Sangeeta Arora was made a legend who is known as Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal was the first woman to climb the Mount Everest. It is the event belongs to the Bachendri Pal. Alone on the mountain top, a 12-year-old girl living in the mountain was out on a school picnic. She climbed a mountain peak of 4,000 meters with her friends. The girl had done this for fun and adventure. Soon it was dark and they could not come down. It was also cold and scary. They were alone without any food and it was a long night. This happened to Bachendri Pal, played when she was a young girl. Bachendri grew up in Nakuri village in the Garhwal area of the Uttarakhand. When she grew older, she joined Nehru Institute of Mountaineering Uttarkasi. Her guide was Brigadier Gyan Singh. Bachendri did very well in her training. She started to train women in mountaineering courses. In 1984, Bachendri was selected as a team member to climb the Mount Everest. Snowstorm. There were 7 women in that 18-member team in 1984. On the night of 15 May, the team was very tired after having reached a height of 7,300 meters. The team put up their tent and went to sleep. Around midnight, they heard a loud sound and then a bang. Before they were fully awake, the tent flew off and something very heavy hit them. There was a terrible snowstorm. Bachendri was almost buried under the snow and was hurt on the head. Many of the team members were also injured. The others used snow picks and axes to dig out those who had been buried under the snow. The rest of the team members returned to base camp, but Bachendri went ahead. Climbing slowly but steadily towards the peak, it was 7 minutes past 1 o'clock in the afternoon on 23rd May when Bachendri Pal stepped onto the peak of 8,900 meter high Mount Everest, also called Sagarmatha in Nepal. It means Bachendri has reached the peak point of the Mount Everest, which is called Sagarmatha in Nepal. There was another team member with her. There was no space for 2 people to stand on the top at the same time. One slipped and they would fall straight down thousands of feet below. Bachendri and her teammate dug into the snow and pitched their axe firmly in the ice, using this as a hook. They tied themselves to it with a rope. Only then 2 of them could stand there. She was shivering with cold but filled with the warmth of achievement. She bowed her head, pitched the national flag and took photographs. She spent 43 minutes on the highest peak in the world. Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman and the 5th woman in the world to reach the peak of the Mount Everest. This is the picture of Brigadier Gyan Singh, the director of adventurous course of the Madam Sangeeta Arora, and he was also the director of that team in which Bachendri Pal now we will read about the famous Indian women mountaineers. First one is Bachendri Pal. This dauntless woman debunked all myths surrounding women's physical and mental strength by becoming the first woman to reach Mount Everest summit in 1984. She was facilitated with the Padam Shri in 1984 and Arjun Award in 1986. Beside accomplishing this feat, she also bears the credit of becoming the first woman in her village to have completed a graduation successfully. She was recently in news for leading an expedition on Everest with an all-woman team. Her autobiography, My Journey to the Top, chronicles her tumultuous journey she undertook to scale Mount Everest. Second Indian woman mountaineer is Malawat Purna. What do you expect from a 13-year-old girl? To study and play. Malawat Purna, however, was different. She achieved what many calls unthinkable by becoming the youngest girl in the world to climb the Mount Everest. She proved that brilliance has nothing to do with age. Hailing from a small village of Andhra, Malawat Purna aspired to be an IS officer. The movie Purna, Courage Has No Limit, shows her life journey. Directed and produced by Rahul Bose, the movie has once again put the spotlight on the limitless potential Indian girl possesses. Again, famous Indian woman mountaineer was Santosh Yadav. For many, climbing Mount Everest and returning alive is a far-fetched dream. But what if we tell you that there is an Indian woman who dared to climb Everest twice? Santosh Yadav from Haryana reached the peak first in May 1992 and then in May 93. Apart from this, she is the first woman to climb Everest from Kangsung face, which is considered to be the most difficult site for ascent. She was awarded in Padam Shri in 2000. Next woman mountaineer is Premlata Agrawal. Premlata Agrawal, just like Purn Malawat, has made it very clear that age is just a number and must not be considered as an obstacle while conquering height. A mother of 2 children, this woman climbed the Everest at the age of 48, and with this she became the oldest woman to climb Mount Everest. Her list of achievements does not end here. She is also the only native of Jharkhand to go on such an expedition. Next is Arunima Sinha. She too climbed the Mount Everest, but what makes her climb extraordinary is the fact that she is an amputee. Yes, you read that right. She lost her left leg in 2011 when she was thrown off from a moving train by trucks. It was her inner strength to do something unique that propelled her to conquer Mount Everest. 2 years after the accident took place, Arunima became the first Indian amputee to climb the loftiest mountain in May 2013. Her steel-like determination really changed people's perception about disability. It means Arunima Sinha was a disabled girl, but she has to courage to climb the Mount Everest. Right way of hiking. You know, the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. It is necessary to know the right way of hiking. You can see in this picture the man make the 90-degree of angle with his leg and rest of the body with the mountain. It is the right way of the hiking. It is the way to help in hiking. Some adventurous sports. First one is paragliding. Next one is skydiving. And mountain climbing is also a adventurous sport. I hope you all have been understand this chapter very much, and you have also much knowledge about the Indian women mountaineers. Thank you.